Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is not going to be about makeup or about skincare for the face. Rather, today's video is going to be about skincare for the body because that I feel is the most neglected thing ever. I know it happens with you because it happens with me too, that we all keep our facial skincare routine on point while our elbows are crying, cracking and screaming for moisture because we forget to take care of our body. And also we are transitioning from summer to winter. So this is the time when our body starts screaming for moisture because skin बहुत dry हो जाती है इस weather में and आगे तो और ज़्यादा dry होती रहेगी जैसे जैसे we'll proceed towards winter. So we have to make sure that we are taking care of our skin and we are moisturizing it. But normally what happens is we all tend to just apply any moisturizer for our body. Face के लिए again we use the products that are for our skin type but body को भी neglect. तो जो भी हाथ में आता है हम वो moisturizer लगा लेते हैं. We have never given a thought to our body skin की क्या concern है, किस तरह का product लगना चाहिए. But a brand called Pilgrim has found a solution for it. Just like we have facial skincare with actives, Pilgrim has launched body serum lotions that have active ingredients for your skin type. Pilgrim has launched 3 variants of the body serum lotion. The first one is the 5% niacinamide and ceramide. This one is for repairing your skin barriers. The second one is Phyto-Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid. This is for keep your skin moisturized. If it is way too dry, this will retain the moisture, and retinol is for anti-aging, you know that. Third one is with 5% lactic acid and glycolic acid. Now this one is for exfoliation. If you feel that your skin is very rough and has dead skin, you can use this one for exfoliating your skin without using the harsh physical scrubs that we get in the market. The one that I have with me is the niacinamide and ceramide one. All of these variants obviously hydrate and moisturize your skin, and at the same time they have specific concerns. I have the one that have niacinamide and ceramides, which helps in strengthening your skin barrier. Niacinamide does work on your pigmentation for your face as well as your body. That is why I have this variant, and the texture of this is very smooth. It's not very light like a serum because if it is that light, it will not be able to, keep your skin moisturized for this weather. So it has like a lotion type consistency, but at the same time, it is not very oily that will, make you feel sticky and chipchipa. So it is a perfect consistency. This is not very expensive also. This retails for just 400 rupees and you get how much ml? And you get 150 ml. This is a huge bottle. Consistency of the product to your skin. I just used a little bit and applied it on my entire arm and it quickly got absorbed. It got absorbed super quickly and my arm feels very moisturized at this point. It feels very good and it smells very good as well. These are not just any other body lotions, these are Squalane body lotions. Squalane is a fairly new ingredient as compared to others. I came across Squalane recently. It's like hyaluronic acid. This also does the job of retaining the moisture in your skin. And that is why it is suitable for all skin types because all skin needs moisture, especially for a dry skin and especially for winter season. Products with Squalane is 100% yes because our skin screams for moisturizer during this season. So that is why I would highly recommend you guys giving a shot to the Pilgrim Squalane body serum lotion. The link to shop these is available in the description box below and you can use the coupon code flashing on the screen right now. It's PGBI15 to get a 15% discount. This is not an affiliate code. This is just for you guys. I won't get anything out of it, but this is just for you guys to enjoy some discount. The coupon code is applicable on Pilgrim's website, but this product is also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart as well. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to take care of your skin and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers super soon, so please help me with that. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.